Hello guys, welcome to How to Solution. If you want to know how to fix fail to check for updates in Genshing Impact, then this is the right video for you. First, search and open Control Panel on your computer. Then click on Network and Internet. Now click on Network and Sharing Center. Now click on your Wi-Fi name. From here, go to Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4. Then go to Properties. Now select Use the following DNS server addresses and choose 8888 as preferred DNS server and 8844 as alternate DNS server. After that, close everything up. Now search Command Prompt on your computer. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. Now run the following commands: ipconfig /flush DNS. Then press Enter. After that, type in ipconfig /renew. Then press Enter again. Now type in netsh /winsock /reset. Press Enter. Now just close Command Prompt and restart your computer. And it's done. That is it for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.